So before you start an ad, you need to know the objective. So there are multiple objectives you can see here. For finance brokers, a lot of the time, it's the leads that are the most important. And those lead generation ads could be an objective. If you're not sure, create a campaign without a goals guidance could be used, and that will use a lot of AI. Website traffic is another campaign type you can use, but as you know, you're not selling anything online, so you wouldn't use a sales campaign. But awareness and consideration can also be used. Again, you need to justify why we are doing this stuff. What financial goals do we want before we even decide on here? So there are a few other criteria that we need to look at.